What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your turn signals as well as your brake lights on a Buick Encore from probably about the 2020 to the 2025. The first thing you're going to do is come and pop your hood like this one is. And then next after that, you want to come right here, take like a flathead screwdriver. You see those little pieces right there? You just want to take a flathead screwdriver and kind of pop these pieces out like that. Just like that. And once you got those out, what you will need is a T15 bit, and then all you gotta do is come into here with your T15 and unscrew. You'll have two screws to take out, one at the top and one at the bottom. The one at the bottom is a little kind of recessed back inside of there, so if you have like a magnetic like screwdriver or something like that, it'll probably come in handy. But you just want to take that one out also. It may drop, but if it does, it's like a little catch down here it may catch it with. So once you get that one out also, you'll have your two screws out, your two T15 screws out. And then all you want to do now is just come to the side like this. If you have like a wedge tool or something like that that's like plastic where it doesn't scratch the vehicle, you could use that. But if not, you just want to kind of come one hand over here. You see how I'm kind of pulling and wiggle back like that, and your brake light assembly will come out. This is what I was pulling back on, was here, which is going inside of here. And once you do that, if you're changing out your turn signal, which is down here, then you're going to want to come down to this bottom one right here. You see there's one at the top, one at the bottom. You just want to turn it just like that, and it'll pop out just like that. Make sure also that you're using gloves when you're doing this, especially when you put your new one in, because if not, if you get fingerprints on it, it'll cause it to burn out quicker. And all you got to do is kind of take a hold to it, kind of wiggle and pull it out just like that, and you'll have your bulb out for your turn signal. Take your new one the same way, plug it in just like that. Then this is for your turn signal. I'll show you again. The turn signal is going to be the one at the bottom. So if you look at your brake light assembly, right here is the bottom. Now if you want to change out your brake light, same process, if it's going to be the top one. Same thing, come to the top, spin that like that. You want to pull that out just like that. This is your brake light, so you want to do the same thing. Take it with some gloves on. Like I said, wiggle it out just like that. Take your new bulb, same thing, plug it into your connection. Then once you're done, you just want to stick it back into the opening. There's like little pieces that stick out on the inside of it. Just want to kind of wiggle until you feel it go down in there. And once it's in, just turn it like that, and pretty much you'll be good. And if for some reason you need to change out this whole brake light assembly right here, I believe that you can actually do it from right here also on some of them. See how I popped those wires? That I'm going to be taking out the turn signal, which has a yellow wire on it. You don't want to let them bump around. And then you're going to take out your brake light. And then you're going to want to take out this piece right here, which is kind of another turn piece that you'll take out like that. And then it also has a piece in there you may have to unplug down inside of there to take that piece out, to get that wire. But then once you do that, hold on. Yeah, once you got that, you'll come right here. It's like a little piece right here, if you can see it. It kind of pops out like that. And once you unplug this piece back in here, I think it's like a little pick or something like that to get it out. And then you should be able to take this whole brake light assembly off of here and change out the whole thing just in case you need it. And once you have all that back in, now you got to do is reverse process. Take it, you'll see like this screw right here goes in this hole that's right here. Right here is kind of line it up like that till it's going into that little opening right there. Line it all the way back up. Then you just want to slide it back in just like that until everything matches back up. Then you want to go ahead and put your T15 screws back in, and pretty much you'll be good to go. Alright folks, just once again, this is how you be changing out your tail lights, brake lights, as well as taking out the whole brake light assembly on a Buick Encore from probably about the 2020 to the 2025. It's a Buick Encore GX. Alright, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.